how you do it. Perfect. Your turn.
Yeah, okay. Ooh, time to make breakfast.
I'm a Barbie girl in a...
It needs cheese and ketchup. Let's set everything in our pantry.
Gotta make sure they are equal.
You know what? I'll add some dessert. Now that's what I call a full meal. Oh, good job, Luna.
Thanks, Mom.
Huh? Hey, Mom. What do you think of my recipe?
Get out of my kitchen!
It's actually not that bad.
Alice,
What?
don't move.
What are you doing? Luna, no!
Gotcha. Let's go.
Huh? Where?
Who's there? Who's my friend?
Check out my moves. Ha! Let's clean up everything. Oh.
Wow. I don't need this anymore. I call dibs on the bottom bunk. Body cake, man. Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Yeah.
I've always wanted to do this.
Oh, Timmy.
Alice, enough daydreaming. Let's go to work. I want it to be the bluest blue ever.
Now let's secure it in place.
This will be the best dream house in town.
Can't wait to play on it.
Wow, looks good.
Oh, wow! I love it.
We need more details. Right, Alice? Alice? Hello? Hey! Butterflies?
Oh, they're so pretty.
Ew.
Alice, I came all the way to see you.
I know. I hope you don't mind me borrowing these butterflies.
For you.
Thank you.
Hey!
Now, where should you go? Now the tower is complete. Cool, right? Huh?
Oh, Timmy.
You can try on this. Let's go.
Bye, Timmy.
But
We need to continue all the structure.
All right.
Whoa! Turn off the lights! Alice, are you...
Luna, where are you?
Is this you? No!
hi, girls. It's payback time.
Who was that?
It's so dark.
Let's see. I have an idea. Let's just use this bulb, but make it cuter. That's what I need. Huh?
When I'm gone.
Cool.
Give me that.
Hey!
Just use another cup, will you? We need this for our fairy light. Wow, so pretty. Huh?
So cute. Now every bulb will be different. Aren't they cute?
Yay! Alice, one more cup.
Here you go.
Update on our dream house.
Timmy. Whew.
Wakey, wakey!
Whew. Get off.
Free real estate! Okay, guys, she's sleeping! Come on! And for my signature move, rub-a-dub-dub, rub-a-dub-dub!
Enough! I've had it with you bugs in my bed. Leave! Oh, I know. Hey, hey. Thanks, Mom. Oh, Alice? Girls! What a beautiful ring. I do. Thank you, Timmy. Mwah. Applause, please.
Bravo! Enough. I'm out of here.
Thanks, sis. Oh, this box won't quit. Okay. This will get rid of them once and for all. Ah, so flowy. I love it. Now, where were we?
Now! These life hacks! Let's go to the next garden! Whee!
Oh, it's so good. What is this? Luna!
Okay, I got you. Wow! Another one? Seriously? You know, they are not actually noodles, right? Wait a minute. I have an idea. I knew those pool noodles will come in handy. What a wonderful crowd!
Kilobyte! You snooze, you lose! Play with me!
Oh, that hurt. Wait, this is just what the dream house needs. Wow!
Wow! I got you!
Alice! Oh, I'm hungry. This won't do. Oh, I have a snack right here. My favorite.
Thanks, Luna! Can't wait to bite into this.
Alice, this is mine. It's melted. I know. Careful. Wow.
Oh, girls! So naughty!
Oh, Alice, look what I found.
Cool! What is it?
It's a refrigerator, silly. And it's got strawberries. You know what to do.
Yeah, what?
We dip them in chocolate, of course. Now let's do all of them. Then put the whole batch in the fridge and wait. And wait and wait. Let's see if they are done. They look so good. Wow.
Whoa!
Wow! It looks so tasty! I want to have a bite! Wow, so cool!
Oh, I forgot something again. Oh, my legs! I've had enough of stairs. Oh, this will help me. Done! Good luck. And buckle up. Starting in 10,
She played astronaut?
8,
A weirdo.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Yay!
Wow! It worked!
Whoa! Yay! My turn? Oh, all right. Whoa! I'm gonna fly! Huh? It didn't work! Oh, I need to work out more.
Yeah!
Yay! Oh, come on! Oh, it's not working! Oh, a butterfly!
Alice? Did it work? Oh, I gotta save her.
I'd like to stay on Earth, please!
It's done. Let's drop some balls for a soft landing. Here, no, here. Luna! It's okay. I got you. Alice?
This is fun!
Huh?
This is exactly what a dream house needs! Oh, cool, right? Look!
Whatever. Glad you're safe. We
need to do a party. Cool party! Wow! Hi, Alice! Hi, Luna!
Hi, Kate.
Hi!
Hi, Alice. Hi, Luna.
Hi,
Hi,
Timmy.
Timmy!
Hi, Alice. Hi, Luna.
Hi, Michelle!
Hi, Alice. Hi, Luna.
Hi!
Hi, Alice. Hi, Luna.
Hi,
Hi,
Joey.
Joey!
Let's party.
Whoa, this is the best party ever.
It was so
Huh? Get out! So loud! Girls!
Let's get started! Come and more! So excited!
Yeah! Ooh, I can see it!
It's gonna burst! What happened here? Go play outside! Yes, Mom! Maya, look!
Ooh! Wow! A bunk bed!
There are so many good stuff!
You got that right! Wow! Savvy? Is this our own bunk bed?
I think it is!
That's so cool!
Oh, are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Let's get our DIY on!
And protective gear!
Done! Hey!
What? Just checking!
Okay! Let's clean!
Let's go! Cleaning is not so bad after all!
Whoa! Did they have the Spider movie premiere here?
I don't need this and this! Especially not this!
Gotcha! In the trash you go!
Oh, Maya, this box is so heavy!
Savvy!
Let's use these boxes!
Wow! So cozy! Good job, Savvy!
Yeah, I feel like a princess now! Princess!
I want to take a picture of you!
Yeah!
Say cheese! I wonder how it turned out!
Let me see! Oh, so cute!
Ooh! This gave me an idea! Savvy!
Let's paint!
Yeah! I want a pink bed! So I'll mix in some white and red paint. Just eyeball it until it looks good. This should be enough. Now I'll just mix it until it's the right shade. Ooh, cool!
Maya, you will need this!
Ooh, great thinking, Savvy!
I know! Hey, let's paint, Maya!
Okay. Ooh, it's the perfect pink!
This is gonna look so good!
I know, right?
Almost done!
Wow, so beautiful! Wow, we have a window now!
Looks pretty good. Oh, what was that? Oh no! Let's try that! Incoming! How did I do? It turned out so nice! Let's do more!
An extra window! Ooh, Savvy!
Oops, sorry! Wow, it looks so cool! Where's my…
Pillow fight! Wait, I have an idea! Let's put it here. This will add pizzazz to our window.
Great idea, Maya! It'll look like clouds!
How about some more here? Looks good! Hey, I found this pool noodle! I have a better use for this! Hey, wow! It's a rainbow! And now some clouds! Perfect!
I can buy myself flowers! Nice! Oh, I know! Hey, Maya!
Wow! Ew, Savvy!
Got you, girl!
It's disgusting!
But look!
Wow, so beautiful!
I know!
Good job!
I know! Go, let me take a picture of you!
Cheese! Oh, but it's so empty inside.
I so agree with you!
What do we do? Found this yarn in the dumpster. I want to try this hack I found on TikTok. I'll drown the whole thing in glue. Make sure to coat it good, or else it won't stick. Now we need a balloon.
This size is enough. Now we put it on a stable surface and wrap our yarn around it. Cute! Ooh, it's so squishy! Wow!
Maya, look! It's so cool!
Yeah, it's very nice. My project's better though. Just look at that detail. Last step, hang it up. Wow, it's so beautiful! Do you want to put this inside?
I do!
Come on!
Oh wait, Maya!
Wow, I'm in heaven! Savvy, what do you have there?
Maya? Nothing.
Huh? You're hiding something.
It's the truth.
Let's hug.
Sure.
Savvy! Chocolate! Hey, you need to share.
Okay, let's share.
Hold on.
Oh no, it's melted.
I know what to do.
Huh?
I'll make a mini fridge. That way, we can keep all our snacks fresh.
Great idea. Let me help you. Cool, huh? The foil will keep the chocolate cool. Almost done. It needs a nightlight, so we can see our snacks in the dark. Let's put it here. And now our snacks. Huh? This is all we have? So?
I know what to do.
Well,
Wish me luck.
Good luck, Maya, go! Oh, what was that?
Don't mind if I do.
I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. What?
I got it.
Yes!
Now we can make some more snacks. Now let's chop all the strawberries. Then add some light yogurt. Mix until all the fruit is covered in it. Now drop spoonfuls on a plate. And you're almost done.
Maya, what are you doing?
Try it. Oh, give me that. I knew it was missing something. There, perfect. Leave it in the fridge until it's ready. Let's wait. Wow. Let's try it.
Let me try. It looks good. Maya! This gave me an idea. Our bunk bed was missing something. I'll give it back later, or not. Now what should we put in here? Nice! Huh? How about a bulb? Yes! It's beautiful!
Please. Thanks. Let's see.
Maya, let me see.
Whoa. What's this?
Hold on. It's perfect!
Hold this. Now spin.
It's gonna look so cute! Yes! Cool! It ties everything together! Who needs picture frames? Am I right? So cute!
We did a great job.
Remember how it used to look?
Right.
Wow! Alright, let's go play!
Yeah.
It's so cozy!
Wow, I can see everything from here. Huh?
Come get the latest toys in our new toy shop.
Savvy, there's a sale in a toy shop. Take a nap. You don't.